All right, you guys. So, as promised, I said that I was going to record me actually building the circuit for my CEIS 101 course at DeVry University. So, I'm not going to reveal what it is we're actually building for our final project. I'm going to let you guys take a wild guess. Okay. There's actually more components than this that you guys actually see right here, but this is what we're working with so far. And this is, I believe, is step 2 for the final project. We did like a mock version on this website called Tinkercad, which is pretty much like a simulation with building circuits and things of that nature, which is super, super dope. I'll go ahead and leave some descriptions below in the video. But as I've stated before, these diary entries are going to be raw, uncut, unedited. Okay. So it won't be any fancy anything popping up on the screen. It's going to be complete building. And you guys will hear my instructor in the background guiding through the process. So if you guys see me kind of looking confused, it's because I might be confused. I don't know what I'm doing. But we're going to try not to blow anything up or set anything on fire. And that's what we got this this digital multimeter for. So no fires, no getting blown up. And I took all the metal off of my body. So don't have to worry about any of that. All right. So let's get to it and see what we come up with. This video is about 5 minutes long. So let's see what we can come up with. All right.
Now it's time to build the blinking LED circuit that we did in Tinkercad, but to do it with a real system.
A real
Every
system.
project guide that is going to be given to you will have the schematic, and it also will have the code that will bring the circuit to life.
I'm pretty sure I don't need all of this right now.
All right, so now it's time to start building our circuit. First, we're going to connect our two power rails together.
Okay.
We're going to take a wire that's going to connect to the ground and to the other ground, and then power.
All right, wait a minute now. You're going a little bit too fast. Going a little bit too fast. She said we're taking ground is black. So we're going to use, is ground black? Yeah. Y'all might hear me rewind because I need for her to go slow. All right. So we're going to connect ground to ground. Hold on. I swear it seems so loose, but we'll see what we come up with.
Ground, and then power to power.
Okay, power to power.
Next, we're going to take the ground rail and connect it to the ground pin. Now you have multiple pins in which you can plug into your mega board. You
Okay.
have two that are below the 5 volts, and then you have one that's above pin 13. Next, we're going to supply the power rail to the 5-volt pin.
Oh my God.
All right, now it's time to connect our LED onto our breadboard.
She said what?
So what we're gonna do, now it's time to connect our LED power rail to the 5-volt pin.
She said 5 volt. Hey y'all, if I get blown up, it's a wrap. No, I think this one is. I had it right. Oop. Oop. Did the video cut out? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, y'all.
All right.
She said LED.
Connect our LED So what we're going to do, notice how one lead is longer and the other one is shorter. If you also take even a closer look, you'll see one of the LED edges have this little flat ridge, and that's where the negative end is. All right, so I'm going to take the short end, which is the negative end, and plug that end into the breadboard for the ground rail. And then I'm going to take the longer edge and I'm going to put it into one of the electrically conductive rows. Okay, so now
Oh my God, I
we have
suck
that
at
the
this.
short end is connected to ground.
It's so much
And the
easier on
long end, I
Tinkercad.
need to connect to the pin that's going to be supplying power to turn on and off the LED.
I did it!
So in the same row that you have the long end, I'm going to put in a wire. And I'm going to plug that into pin number 2. So there you have it. That's your complete circuit. Now I'm going to upload the code onto the Arduino. In your project guide, you have the code that's going to make the LED turn on and off.
Got it.
So highlight everything that's within the box, press Ctrl C, and then go into your Arduino IDE.
It's a lot of
Arduino
cables.
IDE, press Ctrl A, and then delete everything that's in there because we're going to be pasting in a new code. Now I'm going to upload the code onto the Arduino. In your project guide, you have the code that's going to make the LED turn on and off. So highlight everything that's within the box, press Ctrl C, and then go into your Arduino IDE. Once you're in Arduino IDE, press Ctrl A, and then delete everything that's in there because we're going to be pasting in a new code. Now, let's make sure that we have the correct board and port selected. In Tools, select the board as Mega 2560. And now that I've plugged in my Arduino, I should see the COM3 come up. Your COM port may be different. So now we will click Upload. I'm going to be prompted to save a new sketch, and I'm going to save it as CEIS 101 3A. So here you can see how the LED is turning on and off for 1 second. Now let's go and change the delay from 1,000 milliseconds to 100 milliseconds. So here we're going to change the 1,000 to 100. And let's re-upload the code. Notice how the blinking changes, and it's blinking a lot faster. Pretty neat stuff, huh? So now let's go and send some messages to the serial monitor that correspond to the blinking.
I got it to blink faster. Ow. This is so cool. All right, you guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So we are on to module 4 of the project building for my final project for my cybersecurity certificate program with DeVry University. I am in a CEIS 101 course right now, and this is the start of, well, the project. So on to part 4. Let's go. Hopefully I don't mess up.
As part of the course project, make sure you've downloaded your PowerPoint deliverable.
I did that.
The project guide.
I did that.
In the project guide, you'll have a schematic of how to wire up your circuit. And in this video, I will demonstrate exactly all the steps you need to take in order to complete this part of adding a door sensor to our home security system. To start building our door sensor, we're going to add 2 additional LEDs.
Okay.
So we're going to add the yellow LED with the short end going into ground and the long end going into the breadboard. Then we're going to take
this is always LED a struggle for me.
With the short end going into ground and the long end going into the breadboard.
It's my nails
now
too.
Let's take some wires and connect them to the corresponding.
It's such a struggle. All right. Cool beans. So as you guys can see, boom. All right. Let's continue. I'm doing corresponding.
Yellow wire.
This yellow is so short.
Row that the yellow LED is in, and connect it to pin number 3. And that's right next to where the red LED is getting power being supplied to it. Next, we're going to take a green wire.
Yeah, my wire doesn't.
The same row that the...
My wire doesn't reach over there. Can I turn it? Oh. We can turn it, you guys. Is this number 3? It is.
The LED, the long end of it is in. We're going to connect another wire into that row and then connect the other end into pin number 4.
Yep. Got it. Got it.
Now we're going to connect the buzzer that's going to create the alarm. The passive buzzer that we're going to be using has a coating on the bottom. And as the LED does, it has a short end and a long end. So I'm going to plug in the short end into the ground and then the longer end into the breadboard. Or you can also just place it into the breadboard, paying attention to where exactly the different LEDs are being placed into. But what's helpful is you have the little positive sign that's on top of the buzzer that indicates exactly where the positive end is.
Yes. Positivity.
So now I'm going to take another wire and connect where the buzzer is to pin number 10. And it has to be in the same row.
I'm pretty sure that's the row.
All right.
Like I'm 9 times out of 10 sure.
Now we're going to add our door sensor.
No, this cord is like, really this wire is way too long.
So that when it's disconnected from the breadboard while the code is running, it will emulate an open door.
Make it a little...
So this will activate the red and yellow lights to flash and the buzzer to sound. So let's take one end of the wire into the ground and the other end is going to pin number 9.
Hopefully I do this right. So many wires.
All right, so now it's time to upload our code.
Okay.
In your project guide, you are provided with the code for the door sensor. Make sure that you change the name here to include your name. Now you can go through and copy change the name here. All right, so now it's time to upload our code. In your project guide, you are provided with the code for the door sensor. Make sure that you change the name here to include your name. Now you can go through and copy the entire code, and then you'll paste it into Arduino. Press Ctrl A and then Ctrl V. Make sure that you have the correct board and ports selected, and then you can go ahead and upload your code. You can save this to CEIS 101_4 for module 4. Alright, so now you see that when the wire is connected, that's like the door is closed. So the green LED is on, meaning
Need
the
a longer
system is
cord.
safe. Now when we'll unplug it, we'll see the yellow and red LEDs flashing along with the buzzer going off.
All right, let me, hold on you guys, give me 1 second. I gotta, camera, sit still, Jesus Christ. Yeah, now you guys are seeing too much. All right, that's enough. That's close enough. Need a longer cord. All right. So as you guys can see, it is, let me zoom in. Oh, okay, that is perfect. All right. Where's my, oh, there's a sticker. Look at that. Look at that. Look at what I'm doing. Okay.
Plugging it back in Arduino. Press Ctrl A and then Ctrl V. Make sure that you have the correct board and ports selected, and then you can go ahead and upload your code. You can save this to CEIS 101_4 for module 4. Alright, so now you see that when the wire is connected, that's like the door is closed. So the green LED is on, meaning system is safe.
Yep.
Now when we'll unplug it, we'll see the yellow and red LEDs flashing
Nice.
along with the buzzer going off.
Breaking and entering. That is so cool, y'all. Look at this. Oh, that is awesome.
Plugging it back in, we see the door is closed and that the system is safe again. Now we're going to change the delay time. And the delay time is a fixed variable that's holding the value at which the buzzer and the LEDs will be turning on and off when the alert is being emitted that the door is open. So for the second run, we're going to change this number to 100 and re-upload the code.
Okay.
Now we'll see how the system
So
will
100
change when we change
and then
the delay
upload.
time to 100.
Okay. All right. So we changed the delay time to 100. So now let's see what happens. Wow. Awesome.
So different types of alerts with Arduino IDE.
All right, you guys. So that is the part 4, week 4 for my final project. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see y'all next week. Bye.